Hello students, welcome to the next video of science. Okay student, today we are going to study about safety and first aid. Okay student, as the name indicates safety, what do you mean by safety? Safety means to keep ourselves safe, either we are at home or somewhere outside or on the road or at the school. Okay, safety means to protect ourselves, to keep ourselves safe from injury, any type of injury. Okay, so there are some rules for that, and we should follow them strictly to keep ourselves safe. Okay student, we have seen many times that if there is some water split, if the water is spitted on the floor, we get slip on it. Okay, so we should uh, today we are going to study that how we will keep ourselves uh, safe at home or outside the home, or we are going somewhere on the road or at the school. Okay student, so first of all, why do accident occur? Why do accident occur? Accident होते क्यों? Accident occurs because we are careless. Yes or no? We run on the road. If we will run on the road, we will get hurt. If we will run on the stairs, then we will get injured. Yes or no? So um, we to keep ourselves safe, we should always follow safety rules. Okay, and we should follow safety rules to keep ourselves safer from any injury, okay, or wind. Okay, you might have observed many times when while playing, when you run on a rough surface, you just fall down. Okay, and get a lot of wounds, है ना. कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कि जब आप ऊबड़ खाबड़ रास्ते पे दौड़ते हैं तो आप गिर जाते हैं, and you get wounds on your legs, hands, etc. Okay, so to keep ourselves safe, we must follow safety rules, and to avoid accidents, we should follow safety rules. Okay, and to keep ourselves safe from any injury, we should always be careful or be alert. Okay, suppose we are going on the road, and we are going on the road and we have to cross the road. So for that we have to wait for some time. Okay, and first we will see the right side, and then we'll see again the left side if some vehicle is coming. So we have to wait for few minutes. Okay student, so today we are going to study about safety and first aid. Okay, accident occur when we are in careless or in a hurry. You might have observed that accidents always happen when we are careless. Careless means that while going on the stairs, we used to run. Mostly the children, what they do while going on the upstairs or downstairs stairs, they used to run and they fall down and get injured. Yes or no? Yes. And sometimes what we do, we split water on the floor, then there are also chances of falling down. Okay student, and what do some students do, some children do, what they throw the banana peels on the floor. They sometimes some children, what they do, they just throw the banana peel on the floor. So there are chances of falling down on that बनाना पील अगर हम डाल देते हैं कहीं पर भी बीच रास्ते में, तो कोई ना कोई उसमें गिर के फिसल जाएगा, है ना. सो दिस शुड बी नॉट बी डन. ओके, सो द एक्सीडेंट अकर्स व्हेन वी आर केयरलेस और इन हरी, है ना. जब हम केयरलेस होते हैं या हम जल्दीबाजी में होते हैं तब एक्सीडेंट होते हैं. ओके, एक्सीडेंट अकर व्हेन वी आर केयरलेस और इन हरी. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो we must not do anything that might hurt us or others around us. We should not do anything that may hurt ourselves or the other person. Yes, if we split water on the floor, then there are chances of falling down of someone. Okay, if we throw banana peel on the floor, then also somebody can be hurt or injured. Okay, student. So we should to keep ourselves safe and other person safe, we have to follow some safety rules. Okay, while playing and working, we should be alert, and we should avoid creating a dangerous situation. Okay, so the safety rules we should follow at home, our home, when we are at home. Okay, we should not touch electric wires. First and the most important thing is we should not touch electric wires. Okay, we should not play with the matchsticks. Small children, they take interest in playing with matchsticks. They just lit it and burn the pieces of paper. But it should not be done. Okay, so to keep ourselves safe at home, there are few safety rules. Number one is, do not play with the matchstick. Okay, and do not touch the electric wires, as we'll get hurt from it. And do not play with the sharp objects such as knife and scissors. Okay, student, if you go in the kitchen, don't touch these sharp objects like knife, scissors. Okay, and you all celebrate Diwali. Yes, and Diwali is the festival of light. We burn crackers in Diwali. Yes or no? Yes. So first of all is we should not wear nylon clothes while burning crackers. Okay, and there should be someone, elder person of the family, with us, so that we do not get injured by them. Okay, we should not, or in other words you can say, do not play with the fire. Okay, when we burn crackers, while burning the crackers, we should wear cotton clothes. Okay, we should always wear cotton clothes, and there should be somebody, elder person of the family, so that we do not get hurt. Okay, student. And the most important point is, we should not take any medicine before without consulting a doctor. Okay, we should never take a medicine. We should never take any medicine without consulting a doctor. Okay, it can also harm us. Okay, now these were the safety rules to be followed at home. Now safety rules to be followed on the playground. Number one, we should not push each other. We should not push each other, otherwise we will get hurt. Okay, and we should not go for swimming alone. While we are going for swimming, there should be some elder person with us. Okay, student, and we should not go for swimming alone because there are chances of accidents. Okay, स्विमिंग पूल में कई बार होता है कि बच्चे डूब जाते हैं, है ना. So there should be an elder person while going for a swimming. Okay, and we should not push each other, and while going upstairs and downstairs, we should not run. Okay, now the safety rules to be followed on the road. Okay, student. So on the road, we should always walk on the footpath. You all have seen that in the mid of the road, the traffic is going on always, but there is some places left on the both the side of the roads. Yes, that is for walking on the foot, for the persons who walk on the foot. Okay, that's why it's also known as footpath. We should always walk on the footpath. हमें हमेशा फुटपाथ पर ही चलना चाहिए. फुटपाथ रोड के किनारे किनारे आपने देखा होगा कि थोड़ी सी जगह ऐसी छोटी रहती है ना. बीच का तो पूरा बना हुआ है प्रॉपर, लेकिन साइड्स में किनारों में ऐसे ही लेफ्ट किया होता है ना. रोड के साइड्स में थोड़ा बहुत जगह पैदल चलने वालों के लिए रखी जाती है. ओके, एंड दैट इज नोन एज फुटपाथ बिकॉज द पीपल गो ऑन देयर फुट. ओके, नो व्हीकल्स आर अलाउड टू गो ऑन दैट साइड. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज, number one, safety rules to be followed on the road is, number one is, we should always walk on the footpath. Okay, student. And number second is, we should always cross the road at zebra crossing. You all might have seen zebra crossing. Zebra crossing, why it is called zebra? Because in the body of zebra there are like this stripes are there are stripes on the body of the zebra. So these stripes, like road is also known as crossing. Road crossing is known as zebra crossing. Okay, you should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. As you can see in the picture, zebra crossing, it is zebra crossing. Why it is known as zebra? Because there are such stripes on the body of zebra. Okay, student, and we should not play on the road. Okay, we should not play on the road. We should not never look out of the window of a moving vehicle. We should not look out of a moving window. Okay, either you are going in a car or you are going in some bus or in train, you should never look out of the window. Window से कभी बाहर झांकना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, and never get in or get off from a moving bus. Okay, हमें चलती हुई बस में कभी भी नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए. Okay, let the bus stop, then we will get in. Okay, so never get in or get off from a moving bus. Okay, so these are the safety rules to be followed on the road. Okay, student, and now the safety rules at the school. What safety rules should we follow at the school? Okay, safety rules at the school. First of all, first is the safety rule is we should not push each other. Okay, we should not push each other. Again, some student, what they do in the classroom, when there is no teacher in the class, they start playing with their pencils. Okay, pencil, compass. So this should be avoided. We should not play with the sharp objects like pencil, compass, etc. Okay, and we should not climb on the benches. Many times the children do, when there is no teacher in the class, they just climb on the desks and start jumping from there. Okay, in this way they can hurt. Okay, and we should not split water on the floor. Okay, as somebody can slip on that water. Okay, student. So, and we should not run on the stairs. Either we are going downstairs or we are going upstairs. We should not run on the stairs. We should never run on the stairs. Okay, otherwise we will get hurt. So today we have studied about the safety rules to be followed at home. First, safety rules to be followed at home. Okay, then second is safety rules to be followed on the playground. On the playground. And then safety rules to be followed on the road. On the road. Then fourth one, at the school. Okay, at the school. Okay, student, it's okay. Now we are going to study about first aid. This topic is complete, safety. Now we are going to this topic, first aid. What is first aid? Okay, you all have first aid box at your home, and you are very much familiar with that. Yes, student? Yes or no? Yes. There is a safety first aid box at your home. Okay, and you are familiar with that. Okay, whatever. What do we keep inside that first aid box? We keep a lot of medicines, Dettol, cotton, bandage, antiseptic cream, okay, etc. Such types of items. Okay, now come to the point. What is first aid? What is first aid? Student, many times you have seen that when you get hurt, while playing you get hurt, okay, and you have wound somewhere on hand or leg. So what your mother do? At the time, what your mother do, or how she helps you? She just washes that wound with the help of Dettol and cotton and puts some antiseptic cream on that wound. Okay, student. So this is simply, this is first aid. Okay, first aid is the first help or the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Okay, First aid is the first or the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Okay, this is known as first aid. Or we can say that कभी कभी क्या होता है घर में किसी को भी चोट लग सकती है, कोई भी फिसल के गिर गया, कोई भी हर्ट हो गया है ना, कट हाथ में छोटा सा कट हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, तो क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स में रखी हुई होती है ना दवाइयाँ, उनको लगाते हैं, है ना। एकदम से तो दौड़ के डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जा सकते. इफ़ देयर इज सीरियस कंडीशन देन ओनली वी कैन गो टू डॉक्टर. ओके, और छोटी मोटे इंजरी के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, छोटे से वुंड लग गया, छिल गया, कट गया, so what do we do, we just rub it with Dettol, wash it with water and rub it, then we put some Dettol on it, and then sometimes we put bandage on it, okay, or some antiseptic cream, and it get well on 2-3 days, है ना. कभी होता है घर में छोटी मोटी चोट लग जाती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम पहले उसे डिटॉल से साफ करते हैं, डिटॉल कॉटन की हेल्प से वी जस्ट क्लीन द वुंड एंड देन पुट सम एंटीसेप्टिक cream on that wound, and the wound gets healed up in within 2 or 3 days. Okay student, हर छोटी सी चोट के लिए तो हम डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाते दौड़ दौड़ के, we just manage it at home. Okay, so this is known as first aid. First aid is the first or the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Okay student, so if sometimes you see some person is wounded in front of you, or some accident happens in front of you, what you will do, you will just call an ambulance. Okay, so now you all have first aid box at your home. So what is a first aid box? Can anyone tell me what is a first aid box? Yes, first aid box is a kit which has things required for immediate help of the injured person. First aid क्या होता है? First aid is a kit which has all the things needed for the immediate help of the injured person. First aid box में सारी चीज़ें रखी होती है ना, Dettol, cotton, antiseptic lotion, scissor, bandage, everything is kept inside the first aid box. So first aid box is a kit which contains all the things required for the immediate help of the injured person. Okay, and the first aid box contains antiseptic lotion, bandage, cotton, scissor, soap, etc. Okay student, so this was our chapter, and one thing you must remember, अगर आपके घर में सेफ्टी फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स है then it's good, well and good, but if you don't have, you have to make it. Okay, because anytime you can need it. थोड़ी बहुत दवाइयाँ और ये डेटॉल, कॉटन, एंटीसेप्टिक लोशन, बैंडेज, it should be kept with us. You should have a first aid box at your home. So all the children will make a first aid box, okay, and keep some medicines in it, especially that Dettol, cotton, bandages. Okay, sometimes we have very small cut in our hand, so for that we will not go to a doctor, we'll just manage it at our home. Okay student, as these days there is a lot of problems outside, so we should have a first aid box at our home so that we can use it at the time of injury or small wounds. Okay student, whenever we get any wound we can use it. Okay, फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि हर घर में होनी चाहिए, है ना, क्योंकि अब छोटी सी चोट के लिए अगर मान लीजिए हमारा थोड़ा सा कट गया हाथ चाकू से, तो हम उसके लिए तो डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाएंगे ना. वी विल मैनेज इट एट आवर होम ओनली. यस और नो? यस. सो वी शुड हैव अ फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स एट आवर होम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट वी कैन use it immediately when we are in need of it. Okay, so this was our chapter, safety and first aid. To keep ourselves safe, we should follow some safety rules at our home, or on the playground, or on the road, or at the school. Okay, wherever we are, always we have to be alert. Okay, why accidents occur? Accidents occur due to carelessness and hurry. एक्सीडेंट होते क्यों हैं? जब हम बहुत केयरलेस होते हैं, है ना, और या फिर बहुत जल्दी में होते हैं. जल्दी में कहीं जाना हो तो दौड़ दौड़ के जाने लगते थे, है ना, चाहे पीछे ट्रैफिक आ रही, प्लस हॉर्न सुनेंगे ना कुछ सुनेंगे. यू माइट हैव सीन मैनी पीपल रनिंग ऑन द रोड, है ना. बड़े बड़े लोग भी कई बार रोड में जल्दबाजी की वजह से दौड़ने लग जाते हैं. ये बस छूटने वाली है, ये छूटने वाला है, वो छूटने वाला है ना. सो it should not happen. Okay, to keep ourselves safe, we should follow safety rules, and we must keep a first aid box always with us so that we can use it in case of emergency. Okay, student, got it? Hope you might have understood this chapter. Okay. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you very much.